What's going on? What's going on? We up here again. I'm chilling. He's chilling in the bed. It's like a rainy, cold weekend, and we're just pushing multiple payments. But the thing is, I want to talk to you. What are you doing to manifest yourself, man? Nobody wants to stay where you're at. Wherever you get at in life, you always get in there to move up and go further. Music, your job, writing, making money, anything that you make, you always want to do better. You want to do more. You want to make more. You want to make more of an impact, whether it's to yourself, to your family, to your friends, that hey, I went out and did it, or yes, I'm more than what I was when I first started. So to do that, you gotta elevate yourself. You gotta do more. You gotta hop out more. You gotta step out more. All right. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes it calls doing something totally different if you don't reach your plateau. So you know if you already reached your plateau with what you're doing. So let's do something else. And I would love for you something else to be getting under with me with my project that I'm in, with this program that I'm in, and get these ultimate payments. Now, y'all might be like, man, you're always on to something, you're always into doing something. Yes. Yes, it's not. Is it wrong for me to do something new, succeed at it, or fail at it, or learn something new? I mean, whatever happens, it's a lesson. So it's never a loss. It's really never a loss. 2 more months, 3 more months from now, who knows? I might be in real estate. You might see me with a picture saying I got my real estate license. Oh, he's doing real estate now. Believe me, whatever I've done in the past or I'm doing now is something that is leaving trails of clues of success, or trails of money deposits still coming to me, and this all makes sense at the end of the day. It's like people who get in the military, man. You're getting out the military, what are you doing now? I thought you was in the military. Well, they can't stay in the military forever. Whether it's 20 years or hey, after 10 I knew I ain't needed no more, or whatever. You can't knock nobody for that personal judgment, man. You can't give everybody personal judgment for what they decide to do. But what will always right now be a factor is making sure you got instant cash flow to make whatever change you need to make. People who find their income tax, that's still a if. Much longer people gonna get food stamps is still a if. A close to this government shutdown is nowhere in sight. They saying now HUD owners or people stay in HUD homes, they might face eviction. And the key to be able to maneuver all that without any type of strife is having a reserve, a deposit, a reserve bank, not to say reserve bank, but money coming in from other sources. We can sit around and complain and watch TV, stare at TV till we're blue in the face, but that don't mean anything is going to happen. And if you're watching this, please share this. If you're watching it. Alright, so with that being said, man, the new thing that I think is going to be true is this $25 one-up, this instant cash thing, man. It's instant cash, incentive levels, having 2-3 people don't do it overnight, easy to wake up to $100 to $75 to $100, not to mention you get a pass up. Like, people ignore the pass up. So let's get started. Peace. You as well.